place called the intensive care unit. Have you heard of that? Intensive care unit. What do they call it in Denmark?
Intensive.
Same thing. Intensive care unit on the hospital. Right, like when you're really, like
Intensive.
you're on a thread. It's like live or die. You're on that edge. And in the intensive care unit, they monitor you. They're monitoring your pulse. They're monitoring your respiration. They're monitoring your blood pressure. They're monitoring your temperature. They monitor how much liquid goes in and how much liquid goes out. They're monitoring everything they can possibly figure out how to monitor. You're on an ECG. You're on a, you're just being tested and inspected and everything they can possibly do to really track you. It's not quite like Star Trek, where you go in the medical room in Star Trek, in the Starship Enterprise, and you're in the medical room, the bay, and there's all those things along the wall telling you everything the doctor needs to do. Oh yeah. But it's pretty close. In intensive care units today, it's pretty close. They are really monitoring. And they're doing something else. They're giving you exactly what you need. They're giving you enough liquid. They're giving you enough electrolytes. They're giving you enough carbohydrates. They're giving you everything you need. They're giving you 24/7 bed rest. All the sleep you want. With only one goal in mind. And the goal is to get you out of intensive care into the hospital. They just want to get you back into the hospital. They don't want you to go out dead. They want you to go back to the hospital. Where at the hospital, they can then get you home as soon as possible. But first, out of intensive care. Can we get you out of intensive care? And they do it by monitoring super close and giving you everything you need in exactly the quantity that you need. And, this is the big and, nothing else. Nothing else. They're not waking you up to find out if you're sleeping. It's time to take your sleeping pill. I better wake you up so you can take a nap. They just let you rest. All the rest you need. They just look at your chart. Oh, look. 97, 97, oh, 96. Oh, that's good. It's going right there. They give you everything you need and nothing else.